Hi, and welcome to the fourth video in our Meet Dave series. You're watching this video for one of two reasons. Either you're looking for a way to work from home and earn an income online, or you have an existing business and you're looking to improve your results in terms of sales or commissions. Either way, you're at the right place. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, also hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos.
I'm in Washington Square Park here in the middle of New York City, and in this city alone, there's 9 million people. I was in a car last night with an Uber driver who said there's 150,000 Uber drivers, and they're no longer accepting new drivers and new applications to be able to work inside of the city. What does that tell me? It tells me that opportunity windows are big at the beginning, and they get smaller and smaller and smaller as people come in and push other people out, or at least steal or rob or take the opportunity for other people to do those things. If you want more money, if you want more opportunity, and if you want to travel to different locations around the world, or if you just want to have more time with your family, you want to be able to not have to answer to the boss that you hate, or do the things that you hate, or trade time for money, or work to build somebody else's dreams, then you're gonna have to learn a high-income skill. Right now, the internet is booming. There's more opportunity right now, but most people just don't know about it. And one of the things that I realized early on when I kept starting businesses and I kept failing in businesses was that if I was promoting low-ticket products, things like network marketing, things like e-com, that at the end of the month, there was just not enough money to be able to actually make a profit, right? As you grow in scale, there's not gonna be enough money to be able to actually cover your overhead. The first time that I ever got a high-ticket commission, I opened my email inbox, there was a $1,000 notification, and it blew my mind. And for the first time, I realized, gosh, if I get just 5 of these per month, I can make $5,000, which would more than replace my income. What if I could get 10 of these, or what if I could find a product that I could earn $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 from just one sale? So what I want to do is I want to invite you to a process, to an experience called the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge, to where over the course of 15 days, I'm going to take you through and I'm going to give you all of the scripts, I'm going to give you all of the templates, I'm going to give you all of the funnels, and I'm actually going to get on the phone. My team of advisors are going to get on the phone, and we're going to help you develop an actual physical business plan that you can actually hold in your hands and know exactly what to do step by step. So click the link above or below this video. Meet me over on the page. Get started, and within the next 15 days, the way you view business and the results that you can get from your actions moving forward can completely transform in a way that will absolutely blow your mind. I'll see you over there. Peace.